Good morning, guys. In front of me is TCL Tab 10L Generation D2, and let me show you how to change language. First of all, open the settings, then find and select System, and pick Languages and Input. Go to Languages, click on Other Language, choose the one that you want to use your device in, and just slide it up to the first place. Wakey wakey. Okay, so now it is applied. You just need to tap on that particular language. There is no way to slide it, so just by tapping you can change the language from this list. Just give it a couple of seconds. Yep, so this is it. Then you can change your language whenever you want to, your system language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.